Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we are going to check out another rental property that I just had become vacant or available. So I gotta go check it out, see what needs to be done to it. But before we get into this real estate knowledge and the topic of the day, I have a message. Last night I posted a video, and the subject of the video was, should you pay cash or use credit when you're ready to buy a Lamborghini? And one of the comments was, who is this? Somebody said, who is this video for? Because 99.9% of your subscribers aren't able to buy a Lamborghini. And it made me start thinking, and an immediate thought that I had was, this is the wrong type of mentality to have, you know what I'm saying? Like, while maybe, and I don't even think it's that high, I think there's probably are some people that are in a position that they could afford a Lamborghini, probably a lot of people, especially like a Gallardo or something, right? You can get a Gallardo for less than 100 grand. But the thought process that I have is, I make these videos about this car for the people out there that would one day want to own a car like this, and they want to know the steps that it took to get a car like this. And when they get in a position, or maybe they're almost in a position to buy a car like this, they can think about a smart way to do it, because it's a lot of money to tie up in a vehicle. So that's why I make these videos. And the videos are not about me or my situation as much as they are to try to just help people by learning from my experiences. So yes, I do make the videos for you guys that are interested in having a car like this one day. If you don't care about the car, you don't want to have a car like that one day, you just want to look at it, that's cool as well. I'll make the videos for you guys to check out the car and that kind of thing. But for those of you that want a car like this one day, you got to believe, first of all, that you can get one, and then you got to start taking the steps to get there. So that's my message related to the car in that video, for that comment of the person that said, who is the video for? The video is for you guys, all right? So I'm gonna take the truck, we're gonna go check out this property and see what needs to be done, and then see what we can learn from this real estate activity that I got going on. Sounds all right. Yeah, that's all right. All right, so we are headed over to the property. A little history on this property. It's a rental that I had. I wasn't making any profit on it really, because I actually rented it out to an employee of mine, and sort of just looking out, you know what I'm saying? But it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, freestanding condo. So something about these freestanding condos, people don't always know what they are, but they're like a condominium association, but instead of your typical condos that are in like an apartment type complex where they're attached, these are what are called freestanding condos, where they're all separate homes. They don't have basements. They are sitting on slab, and but they have a HOA association. The HOA fees are a little bit higher than normal, but the fees cover your typical expenses like yard maintenance and taking care of the playground and public areas like that. So this is the crib right here. Let's go inside and check it out. Now, I don't expect there to be any major damage or anything like that. I talked to my guy that was staying here, and he pretty much gave me a rundown, but we need to come check it out. Anyway, a house like this where I'm at will run, in rental, it'll run $12.95 to $13.95 a month. I wanted to rent out quick, so I may start it at $13.95, but I'll lower it if it doesn't rent out quickly. But anyway, let's go check out the condition of the property. I gotta change the locks. So something you can learn here is that the locks that I typically use are the kind that can be changed very easily. They're called quick set locks. They can be changed really easy, but like a normal lock like this, you got to call a locksmith to change those. But a quick set lock, you can reset it yourself and save a little bit of money every time. But as you can see, it's a little dark in here. Let me open up the blinds a little bit. Carpet looks pretty good, actually. So of course I will get it cleaned up. I'm not seeing anything. Got my ceiling fan in place. Got the first floor bathroom. Floors look great. I may paint the cabinets. That looks fine. They probably didn't even use it that much. I may paint that little surround. Just paint it white. I don't know. It looks like it's missing a cover for the fireplace. I do need to paint though. Definitely need to paint, touch up all the paint, but I think I'm gonna clean and dust first before I paint. The flooring looks pretty good. Carpet looks great. I think I'll paint the cabinets. A little bit of a area here with the flooring that I may fix. We'll see if I can find the flooring that I use here. Get a little bit of light in here. But anyway, typically I have stainless steel appliances, so I will probably change these appliances out. Get my buddies to help me with that. Washer and dryer hookup. So far so good. It's just looking like a paint job. We got a 2-car garage. Nice, nothing to do there. Excellent. But yeah, I'm gonna get stainless steel appliances. That'll cost me about $2,000. I'll paint these cabinets nice dark color, which will make it look nicer. I forgot, I already put granite in here. Haha. So I got granite, but the color of this granite, I will potentially put white cabinets because the granite is dark, and the cabinets being a dark color that I was thinking about using might not look good. So I'll probably paint these cabinets white and put stainless steel appliances in here. I may change this fixture out, make it something a little bit more modern. Then again, they're all white right now, so I might just leave that. So let's see what we got to do upstairs. So far I'm feeling real good about this. Thanks for taking care of my property to my buddy. And we gotta make sure these bathrooms are in working condition, but looks like I don't have much to do here except for paint the cabinets. So I'm gonna call one of my buddies and just give him a budget. But yeah, I give my contractors a paint budget and I say, look, this is what I want to do. The paint is not that bad. I want to go in here and knock it out for $700. But I want to paint these cabinets white and paint the walls the same color. So looking good. Not a whole lot to do here. It's looking good. Very happy. I gotta replace a light in here though. Oh no, I don't. Wait, I think it's over here. It's too, yeah. Replace this fluorescent light. All right, so I'll place the light. A little bit of work to do, very little. We're good. Got the ceiling fan in here. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do. Right now I'm thinking paint the cabinets white. I already updated my fixtures. for the most part. I'll touch up, I'll plaster the holes in the wall, do some touch-up paint. You know, just come in here, paint, and then have them touch up all of the white trim, just kind of chipped and everything with some semi-gloss, and just touch up the paint in the house. But easy job. So $2,000 in the kitchen, probably maybe $1,000 in paint, and $3,000. We're gonna be looking real good in here. So this is your best case scenario with a rental property where the tenant leaves it in really good condition, where all you got to do is clean up and do your typical paint. I don't even think I have to clean the carpet. I might just do it for GP because I can get the carpet clean for a couple $100. So I probably will do that, but I'm gonna send somebody over here to clean after we get it painted. I'm gonna touch up all the white, do the cabinets, touch up the walls, and get this thing rented out. So yeah, I got granite in the kitchen already, so I'm charging, I think I'm gonna charge $13.95. See what happens. If I don't get any bites at $13.95, then I'll drop it to $12.95, but no less than $12.95. This is gonna be a nice rental. All right, you guys let me know what you think, if I should do anything else, and then I'll do it and we'll make a video of it. All right, holla back. This is your boy Will Motivation with another real estate video. You guys been asking me for them. Here they are. I'm gonna change this lockout, like I said, so I can more easily change it. Let me make sure the doorbell works. Yep. Anyway, let me know if you guys got any requests for more real estate videos, what you want to see, and we'll get her done. Jumped off that step, man. Almost broke my leg, broke my ankle. Now, I'm doing these real estate videos, but a lot of people are wondering, how did I get the money in the first place to invest in real estate? And to make a long story short, I'll put a link in the description and in a card up above that talks about what I do for a living. And especially before I started getting into real estate, I am an entrepreneur. By trade, I'm a software engineer, software developer, a programmer, whatever you want to call it. I write code for computers, and I went to college for that. I worked about 10 years in corporate America, and I quit my corporate job to run a website that I built called hbcuconnect.com, to run that full time. And when I started doing well with that entrepreneurial endeavor, I started other businesses. I started a software company where I was writing social networking software for different companies. And then I started this real estate investment company. And I started with my first rental property, which was actually a property that I owned, and I wanted to sell it, but the market was down, so I decided to rent it out. And then once I saw how low the market was, I decided to start buying more and more real estate. And the initial money came from my savings, basically money I had saved up for having worked. At least I have been working from 2004 to about 2011. So I have been saving money for 7 years or so. And I started buying investment properties. And then when those investment properties started making money, and I started having more equity in those properties, I was leveraging the money that was being made and leveraging the equity in the properties to buy more real estate. And the real estate has been growing like that ever since. And then more recently, I flipped some properties. So I flipped at least 10 properties, maybe more, maybe 20. I know with my realtor, Rich, I've done 48 transactions, which means I've bought and sold 48 different houses. All right, so maybe some of them might have been the same as the ones I bought, but anyway, we've done 48 different transactions. But that's how I got into it. That's how I got the money. I hustled my butt off. I worked my butt off as an entrepreneur, and I still do. The real estate is still not my main thing that I do, but it's a big part of justifying some of the things, like some of the lifestyle things that I do, like the Lamborghini and the travel and stuff like that I like to do for fun and from a lifestyle perspective, that I'm able to share on YouTube. The real estate justifies that, because I have my money invested in them, and that money is making money, and then I don't feel so bad about spending some of that money that's coming from the profits of the investments. All right, so that's a long story short. For those of you that always ask and wonder, what do I do and how did I get into it? Believe me, there's a lot of hard work before I even got into real estate to be able to save up money. But there's always crafty and ingenuitive ways to get involved in real estate. Like, some people have been asking me about wholesaling, and I'll have like a session in my course about wholesaling, but I'm not an expert at wholesaling. What I will try to do though on my channel is bring in an expert, someone who maybe has done well with wholesaling, and then present them to you guys to share their knowledge. All right, but anyway, this is Will Motivation. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and then more than anything, I love the comments, man. So just, if you're getting anything out of these videos, write me a comment so I can keep doing them, because that motivates me to keep doing the videos, because somebody's watching. All right, this is Will Motivation. I'm out. Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.